Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to add admins to your Facebook page. So there's a quick and simple way. Just open your app, Facebook, on a mobile device. And after we will move in the right bottom corner option is the menu. And just switch to the page. After we will go again right bottom corner option menu. And just simply tap on professional dashboard. Just tap. After scroll down. In the last, you will see the tools, which is right bottom corner option. Just tap, and if you a little bit scroll down, there is an option page access. So just tap, and now we will just tap for people with Facebook access at new. Just tap for next, and just type the name of person. After just select it, and you will just have to give allow this person to also have full control. So anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, include you, or delete the page. So if you have a trusted person, so make sure you'll just turn it on. If not, so just turn it off and give access basics. And right now, you will just have to enter your Facebook profile password to confirm that this person should have access to manage this page on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you.